Okay, crossing 285. Used to be a Richway up here on the right. Covington Plaza, that was a Richway. Mama's Country Showcase was up here on the right. And we'll be coming into Redan on the right. Okay, that's where the Richway was right there. You can tell, still tell the buildings, old Richway. I don't have a clue what it is now, but the parking lot's been redone, so somebody's using it in there. Now, well, it's nothing now, but then it turned into Mama's Prime Time. Also, Redan Road comes in right up here on the right. Redan Road will take you all the way back down to Lithonia. $169. Gas coming back down after Labor Day. If you fork off up here to the left, it'll take you over to Memorial Drive, and then to the left up to Columbia Drive. We're going to go straight and go right into Avondale. And again, this is Sunday afternoon, September 13th, 2020. It is 5 after 3, 86 degrees. And there on the left used to be, I think it's a Save gas station. Every Easter, when I was little, 5, 6, 7 years old, Mother and Daddy would stop there. They always had colored stuffed bunnies. Would always get a colored stuffed bunny from that place back there. This is Memorial Drive. To the right takes you all the way down to Stone Mountain. To the left take you into Atlanta, past Oakland Cemetery and up to the Capitol. And this battery is now down to 10%, and I've got to charge it now. So I'm going to have to pull over and change it before we get into Avondale.